I'm going to show you how to make a drink called Vernal Equinox. We're going to start off with our ice, pour that into your glass. To that, we're going to add 2 ounces of port. Port is a wonderful sweet wine. It's also used sometimes as a dessert wine. There we go. And then we're going to add in 1 ounce of Grand Marnier, which is a French orange liqueur and is really, really tasty. There we go, 1 ounce of that. And then we have another orange liqueur, triple sec, and we need a 1/2 ounce of this. There we go. Go ahead and give this a good shake. And just a gentle shake for this, or you can stir it if you like. And then I'm going to grab a highball glass here, and I'm going to go ahead and fill this up. And this is a smooth, sweet drink for springtime. Go ahead and add in your stirry straw. Give it another gentle stir, and there you have it, Vernal Equinox. Cheers.